Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math. If you enjoy my way of explanation, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates on my new videos. In today's video, I'm going to solve the questions from Module 2, Exercise 6.3. I will guide you step by step to make the solution easy to understand. Make sure you follow carefully and note down the key points. Let's get started. 6.3 Trigonometric functions of any angle. Okay, right. So in this exercise, what we are going to do, 1 point will be given. For example, 5 comma 3 will be given, right? It means x comma y will be given. So when x comma y is given, just find out your sine theta, cosine theta, tan theta, and the reverses cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So this is what we are going to study in this exercise. So 6 trigonometric functions or 6 trigonometric functions we are going to find. Which are the 6 trigonometric functions? Sine theta, cosine theta, tan theta, 1, 2, 3. Cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. How many? There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, right. So we are going to calculate all these 6 trigonometric ratios when you get the coordinates x comma y. So for this, you need to remember the following rules. Only just these 3 rules only, right? Sine theta y by r. Where is y? This is your y. Cos theta x by r. Where is x? This is your x. Tan theta y by x. Where is y? This is your y and this is your x. And what about this r, right? R is equal to root of x square plus y square. This is the formula. Where is x, teacher? It's here. Root of 5 square plus 3 square. Okay. So in this way, you're going to calculate r and you put it. Don't remember these 3 formulas, not necessary. Once you calculate, just flip it. Flip means reverse. Sin theta reverse cosecant theta. Cos theta reverse secant theta. Tan theta reverse, you will get cot theta or cotan theta. So in this way, we are going to find out 6 trigonometric ratios, right? Okay. Next, we are going to study the next one table, which is called all STC. Just remember your STC, right? Your mobile services. All STC, you can see that. So STC, you can remember. What do you mean by all? Your sine theta, your cosine theta, your tan theta, your cosecant theta, your secant theta, your cot theta. Okay? It means this, all these things are included. Whereas in this place, sine and your cosecant. And in this place, tan and cotan. And in this place, cosine and secant. Because they are original member and they are flipped member. Or original member, reverse member. Okay. So these 2 things are you considered in this quadrant. Okay. Right. So all STC, you need to remember this. It is like this circle, right? So this will be 0. This will be pi by 2. This will be pi. And this will be 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi. Or you can say this is 0, right? And this is 90 degree and this is 180 degree. This is 270 degree and this is 360 degree. This is a degree measure. This is a radian measure. The last modules, last video, I told you what about degrees, how to convert into degrees and radians, radians to degree, everything, right? Yes. Now we are talking about this all STC. Here all are positive. Here sine alone positive. When I say sine, the reverse ratio called cosecant is also included. When I say tan, it means cotan is included. When I say cosine, it means secant is also included. Keep in your mind, okay? But I won't say the reverse one. I won't say this one. It means it is included. It is included. It is included. Mostly in 002, you'll be dealing with this 3 only. Okay, right. So all STC means all are positive. Sine, cosine, tan, positive. It means your resulting answer in between 0 to 90, anything you calculate for sine, sine 45, sine 36, cosine 35, cosine 56, cosine whichever less than 90 degree, tan 58, whatever it is, all the angles or all the answers are positive. You can check in the calculator. When you cross moving from z 90 to 180 in this portion, here if suppose you are finding, for example, sine of, for example, above 90 100 degree, you will get positive. Whereas you find cosine 100 degree, okay, for example, you take your calculator and put cosine 100 degree, you will get the answer negative. Just now I checked in the calculator, cosine 100 is minus 0.1736. You can also check. Why? Because in this place your cosine only positive, sorry, sine only positive, cosine is negative, tan is negative. So when you come to this place from 180 to 270, tan only positive, remaining all negative. And 270 to 360, your cosine only positive, remaining all negative. So this is what in this table I have given. Sine theta, you can give and see positive, 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 sine, cosine, tan. And sine is positive, cosine is negative, tan is negative. And sine is negative, cosine is negative, tan is positive. See, positive, positive, all STC. This is all, okay. This is all STC. This is all, okay, all STC. C is where? This one, cosine positive. So this is negative and this negative. So just remember, just put the degree 0, 90, 180, 360, sorry, 270, 360. Remember these words, all STC. Easy to remember. You can remember the company name STC. So all STC, easy to remember, okay. Just remember this one. Let's go to the first question. Right. Let minus 3 comma 4 be a point on the terminal side of theta. Forget about all these words. Just you highlight the word 3 comma 4. What are the things you need to find? Sine, cosine, tangent of theta. So only 3 questions they are asking. So whenever the point is given, you are going to call this as x and this is y. So what is your x comma y, which is minus 3 comma 4, right? So when minus 3 comma 4 is given, immediately you need to find r, right? So what's the formula for r? R is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So r is equal to square root x. Whenever there is a minus, be careful, you need to put brackets. Minus 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to, you can put directly in the calculator. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. So r is equal to 5. Okay, right. Now we are going to calculate sine theta and cosine theta, then tan theta. Okay. What is the formula for sine theta? This is for sine. Always come from Arabic, left to right. Okay. Sorry, right to left. Okay, right. So sine theta, it is y by r. Cos theta, it's x by r. And tan theta, y by x. If you make a small mistake, all the answers will be wrong. Be careful. Okay, yeah, right. So sine theta, it's y by r. Cos theta, x by r. Tan theta, y by x. Okay, right. So please remember, the first formula is y, y, y. It is not x. So y by r, x by r, y by x. What is your y? Which is here 4 divided by, what is your r? It is 5. Okay, right. And what is your x cosine theta? It is minus 3, right? And divided by what? 5. And tan theta, which is 4 divided by minus 3. This is your tan theta. Okay, very simple, you see. Right. Suppose if I mark this point minus 3 comma 4. Where is minus 3? Here is minus 3, right? And where is 4? Here is 4, right? So this point is what? Minus 3 comma 4. Am I right? Yes. So you just make this as a circle with 360 degree, right? Okay. So what is your this point? 0. This is 90 and this is 180 and this is 27, sorry. And this is your 270, okay. And this is your 360, right? Where is this point? This point, can you see that? All S T C, put it, right? This point in this quadrant number 2, right? This is quadrant number 1 and this is quadrant number 3 and this is quadrant number 4, Roman letter I said. So in quadrant number 2, which is positive? Sine is positive. Look at your answer. Sine is positive. Wow, fantastic. See, what a connection between coordinates and this angles measurement. See, and I said sine is positive and cosine is negative, tan is negative, right? Look at here, cosine is negative and tan is negative. So in this way also you can check whether your answer is correct or not. But this is not necessary because the rule is very simple. Y by r, x by r, and tan theta is what? Y by x. Clear? So in this question, they didn't ask all the 6 trigonometric ratios. They are just asking only 3. But most of the times in the exams, they will ask 6. Okay? Right. Let's go to the next question. Don't read any English words. Just see the points and the point 5 comma 12. Okay? And what is the thing we need to find? Find the 6 trigonometric functions. That's it. Okay. 6 trigonometric functions: sine theta, cosine theta, tan theta, right? And the flip or the reverse: cosecant theta, okay, secant theta, and then we are going to find what? Cot theta. Before going to this is your x and this is your y. Am I right? So if x and y is available, we need to find r. What is the formula for r? Square root of x square plus y square. So r is equal to square root of, what is your x? 5 square. Always try to put the bracket even though minus is not there. Otherwise you will make mistakes. And then 12 square. You can put directly in the calculator. This is 144 plus 25, which is 169, which is equal to 13. If you want to do manually, you can do it, or better is calculator. Right. So now I'm going to write all the 6 ratios. I'm going to write sine theta, cosine theta, and tan theta. And then after that, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Okay. This equals. So I said y by r, x by r. This is the place always students make mistake. They write sine theta, x by r. No, it's y by r. Tan theta, y by x. It's not x by y. Okay. Y by r. What's your y? It's 12. Okay. Right. What's your r? Which is 13. Right. What's your cos theta? Which is 5 by 13. And what's your tan theta? Which is y by x. 12 divided by 5. Okay. Right. Make a line. And we are going to write next cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. Just flip this one. 13 divided by 12. Flip this one. 13 divided by 5. Flip this one. 5 divided by 12. Okay. So the answers are correct. Okay. Just we can check whether answers are correct or not. So just look here. This is your point 5 and this is your point 12, right? So where is your point? Your point is here, 5 comma 12. Am I right? Yes. So this quadrant is what? All. This TC. What's the meaning? All positive. Look here. Positive, 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 positive. What a lovely situation. See? Fantastic, right? So if you see this one, all the things are connected. So without math, you cannot live in this world, right? Everywhere angles are connected. Okay, right. So it has a connection with the coordinates, with also with the angles measurement. Let's go to the next question. Same question again repeating, right? So what's the question? Find the exact values of 6 trigonometric or trigonometric functions, right? Instead of giving the coordinates, they have given the point here in the picture, which is 4, 3. Same idea. Which quadrant this one? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. So this is the first quadrant. So all your answers must be what? Positive, right? Yes. So this is your x, this is your y. So we need r. What is r? Square root of x square plus y square. So r is equal to square root of bracket open 4 square, bracket open 4 square, 3 square, sorry. R is equal to 16 plus 9, which is 25, which is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. Now, they are asking all the 6 trigonometric ratios. So sine theta they are asking, cosine theta they are asking, tan theta they are asking. After that they are asking what? Cosecant theta, and then secant theta, then cot theta, right? So let us find first sine theta, cosine theta, tan theta. So what is the formula? Y divided by r, x divided by r, and y divided by x. Y by r, how much? Which is 3, right? 3 divided by, what is your r? 5. Okay. And cos theta, it's 4 divided by 5. Tan theta, 3 divided by 4. And just flip this one, flip this one, flip this one. So it's 5 divided by 3, 5 divided by 4, and 4 divided by 3. I said all the things should be positive, right? Positive, 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 positive. Lovely, right? Yes. So in this way, we are going to calculate the 6 trigonometric functions of the theta, right? They can also call sometimes trigonometric ratios also. Also same words, trigonometric ratios are trigonometric functions, right? Let's go to the next question. Again the same idea, okay, right, which is 8 comma 15. Again it's in the first quadrant. This is your x, this is your y. Look at here, where is 8? Here is 8, here is 15. So this is in the first quadrant, so all are positive answers, okay, right. So what is your r? R is equal to square root of x square plus y square, which is equal to square root of 8 square plus 15 square. So 8 square plus 15 square, I think I'll know the answer, but still I'll ask you to find out. 8 square plus 15 square, right? Which is equal to 15 square, sorry. 8 square plus 15 square, 8 square plus 15 square is 289. 289 square root is 17. You can put the calculator directly. So square root answer gives 17. Okay, so let's write all the 6 trigonometric functions: sine theta, cosine theta, then tan theta. Then here you're going to write cosecant theta, secant theta, and then cot theta. Okay, right. So make a line. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. What's your formula? Y by r, x by r, y by x. So just write the answer. Y by r. What's your y? 15, right? So this is 15, right? 15 divided by r. R is 17. And the next is 8 divided by 17. And y by x is 15 divided by 8. Now what you need to do? Flip, flip, and flip. So which will be 17 by 15, which is equal to 17 by 8. And this is equal to 8 by 15, right? I said all the answers are going to be positive, right? Look here, positive, 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 positive. Fantastic, right? So this is all repeated same ideas. Now next we are going to talk something called reference angle. The next idea is what? Reference angle. We are going to use this idea. You must remember, study this rule. This rule you need to memorize. Okay, it's very simple. I will explain. Okay, just you need to remember only 3 rules you are going to remember. Okay, yeah, right. What is that? Let me give a table, right? So this is your 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this is going to become your 360. Okay, reference angle. Okay, you please remember the word reference. What do you mean by reference? Something you are going to refer, right? Reference angle, that means some degrees. Okay, some angles will be, you need to convert, because sometimes you are not able to find out the angles are more, right? That means it is 360, more than 360. It's very difficult. So if you are using this idea, easy to calculate the values. Okay, so just remember 4 formulas. First formula is theta. It's easy to remember. This is 180 minus theta. Next is reverse, theta minus 180. This is 360 minus theta. Only 4 formulas. See here, theta, 180 minus theta, theta minus 180, 360 minus theta. Suppose sometimes you need to use radians. Degrees means unit. So we know that pi is equal to what? 180 degree. See, pi, it becomes this one. 180, it becomes pi. 360, 2 times its pi. So almost same rule you can say. So easy to remember. These two things are very easy. Flipping. 180 minus theta and theta minus 180. Okay, yeah. 180 minus theta and theta minus what? 180. So this is very easy. This is 180 minus theta, theta minus 180. So of course this is the last quadrant, 360 minus theta. Okay. In case if the question is given in pi, so this is theta, this is pi minus theta, this is theta minus pi, and this is 2 pi minus theta, because 2 into 180 is equal to what? 360. So that's why 2 pi. So remember this table. This table is very important. First quadrant, okay, this is the one. Second quadrant, this is the one. Third quadrant, this is the one. And the fourth quadrant, this is the one. Okay, right. So let's go for this one, right. So this is a place I'm going to give you the different options how to do this question. It's very easy, but students normally they find it very difficult, this question. Let me explain this question very carefully. Listen. You're going to find sine, cosine, tangent of this angle, okay, but without using calculator, right? So with calculator you can check your answers whether your answers are correct or not, but you have to write the steps without calculator. So what is your question? Your question is sine 225 degree, cosine 225 degree, and tan 225 degree. Okay, right. Suppose I go, make your calculator should be in the degree mode. Just put shift mode, degree is 3. So just put in your calculator sine 225. Your answer is minus root 2 by 2. And the next you put cosine 225, put in the calculator. You get minus root 2 by 2. Okay. Then you write tan, okay, 225. Then you will get answer is 1. But you are not supposed to write the answer directly from the calculator, because what did they mention? They mentioned without using calculator. So what should I do, teacher, without using calculator? It's very, very, very simple. We are going to use the reference angle. Listen carefully, right? Okay, let me draw this. Sorry, 1 minute. Let me draw here. Let me draw this one. Okay, right. Now, what is the angle? 225. So this is 0. This is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this is 360. Okay, right. Where is 225 degree? Just locate it. Okay, you are starting from here, right? The man is starting, okay, 220. So 0, you just walk, 90, walk, 180, and then walk. He should be here, right? So he is almost here, 225 degree, right? 225. So this is quadrant 1, right? And this is your quadrant 2, right? And this is your quadrant 3, right? And this is your quadrant 4. Clear? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, and quadrant 3. Okay. So 3 quadrants are already fixed and the fourth one is alone. So where is he now? He is in this quadrant 225. Okay, right. Just now I teach reference angle, right? What is the formula I gave? Here theta is theta itself. Here I said 180 minus theta. If you want the formula, I'll show you again, no problem. 180 minus theta, it's here. And then theta minus 180. Here I gave theta minus 180, right? And then here I gave 360 minus theta. So now the guy is standing in the third quadrant. Guy is standing what? Third quadrant. So he is standing here. Okay. He is standing in the third quadrant. So quadrant number 3. Right. So quadrant number 3. What is the formula? Theta minus 180 degree. So what is your theta? Your theta is 225 minus 180 degree. So 225 minus 180, if you put in the calculator, you will get 45 degree. So this is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So what is the meaning of that? This 225, using the idea of reference angle, it has become 45. Understand? So 225 has become what? 45. And this 225 become 45 degree. and this 225 becomes 45 degree. Okay, right. So now we are going to write this is equal, this is equal, this is equal. Now you are going to find out sine 45 and you are going to find out cosine 45, right? Cosine 45 and you are going to find tan 45. Okay, clear everybody? Right. So we are going to find sine 45, cosine 45, tan 45 in the calculator, right? So just take your calculator, press sine and then press 45. You will get the answer square root of 2 by 2. And then next you press cosine 45 and press equal sign square root of 2 by 2. Then again press tan 45 and press equal, is it equal to 1? Okay. Yes, teacher, we got the answer. But before you start the question, I gave the answer from the calculator. Sine 225, this is the answer. Cosine 225, this is the answer. Tan 225, this is the answer. Okay, the third answer is matching, it's correct. But first two answers are wrong. Can you see that? There is a minus missing. Understand? Right. Where is the problem? Right. Now the man is standing in which quadrant? Quadrant number 3. So quadrant number 3, who is positive? All. Yes. T. C. So the man is standing in the quadrant T. So T means tan only positive. Tan only positive. So who is negative? Sine is negative and cosine is negative. So what we need to do? We need to do one step extra. We need to put minus. We need to put minus. What is the reason? The reason is quadrant 3, third quadrant. Okay, you should write third quadrant. Or if you don't write also, if you put minus, it's okay. This is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 3. Sine is negative, cosine is negative and tan is positive. Clear everybody? So, before starting the problem, check your answer in the calculator whether your answer is correct or not. So, first put in the calculator sine 225, get the answer, keep it ready. Cosine 225, put in the calculator and just keep it ready. Tan 225, put in the calculator, keep it ready. After that, just go to this diagram and just walking, right? Walking or running, you can say run. And then he comes to 225 quadrant 3. Try to use the rule of the reference angle. This is the rule of the reference angle. Okay. Rule of the reference angle. Then the degree is converted into very less number, which is in between 0 to 90. It will be converted. So it is sine 45, cosine 45, tan 45. Now this one you put in the calculator. Now this one you put in the calculator. Now this one you put in the calculator. So write the answer. After that, based on the quadrant, you put the plus minus. Since this is in third quadrant from the beginning itself, so you are going to put this minus and this plus. Okay. Then check your answer. It's correct. It's correct. So you are not supposed to use calculator directly. Keep in your mind, these steps are very important to write in the exam. If you write the answer directly in the calculator, in the paper, they will give you 0. So you need to write sine 225 is equal to 45. How? Using reference angle. What is the reference angle, teacher? Because he is in the third quadrant, I use the formula theta minus 180. So 225 minus 180. Is this the same for every problem, teacher? No. Because the man is standing in the third quadrant, so this formula. Suppose he is standing in the second quadrant, and this formula 180 minus theta. Right? Is it clear, all of you? Very easy. Don't make it your mind so much of thinking, right? Nothing to think. Very simple, basic ideas you need to remember. That's it. Okay? Right. Let's go to the next question. Now there is a separate question. Find reference angle. Before what they ask? Find sine theta, cosine theta, tan theta. Without using calculator, we use the reference angle and we got the answer. Now there is no sine theta, there is no cosine theta, there is no tan theta. Just find reference angle. Very simple. Okay. Right. Be careful in this. One is positive. Okay. Another one is negative. Okay. Another one is in radian. Okay, beautiful question. One is positive, one is negative, one is radian. Okay, let's start with positive. Okay, so a question we are going to do. Let's draw the same thing: 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Okay, right. After that you write the formula also: theta 180 minus theta, theta minus 180, 360 minus theta. Ready. Now the man is starting. Let's the game starts. So he has to reach his goal is what? 300. Tick 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 90. Tick 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 180. Tick 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 270. Tick 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 tick. Ah, he will be here, right? So he is in fourth quadrant. Understand? Right. So the man is in quadrant 4, right? He is in quadrant 4. So for quadrant 4, what is the formula? 360 minus theta. So what is your theta? Your theta is 300. So 360 minus 300, right? 360 minus 300. So which is equal to how much? 60 degree, right? Clear? 360 minus theta is how much? 360 degrees. It's clear or not? Right. So you must be very careful in this one. Okay. So the reference angle, you should use it carefully. If without using, then it will be a problem. So the quadrant you should remember, and you should remember the formula. 4 formulas. First formula is not remember. No need to remember. Just theta. Second, 180 minus theta, theta minus 180 and 360 minus theta. Look here. Here the situation is third quadrant. Here the situation is what? Fourth quadrant. So the reference angle for the first question is 60 degree. Clear all of you? Right. Now I'm not coming to the radian part. I'm going to the negative one, or I'll go to the radian also. So no problem. It's all right. Let me go to the B question. I think is this the last question? No, there's one more question. So I will write B question here. So no place will be there. So B question is theta equals, so sorry, what happened? Theta equals 2.3 radians. Theta equals 2.3 radians. This question normally every semester I used to see, they get confused. Okay, each one will do different methods and they get confused which method I should use, teacher. I'll teach you 2 methods. You follow whichever you like, whichever easy. Okay, clear everybody? Right. This is in radian. This is in radian. Usually we convert into what? Degrees. And then we use the formula. This is one idea. Another idea is very simple. This is 2.3, right? Usually, if you see this one, 0, wow, pi, and this is, sorry, pi by 2, and this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 0. Where is this 2.3 coming? Okay, so now you should be very careful. There is another, it is not exact value, but somewhat it's nearer value, you can say, right? Pi is nothing but 3.14159. You studied already in the school, right? Correct or not? Yes. So this will be your 0, right? And this will be your 3.14 divided by 2, right? Which is equal to how much? 3.14 divided by 2, which is equal to maybe 1.5 something. So 3.14 divided by 2, which is equal to 1.57. Okay, right. And this is your pi, which is 3.14, right? And forget it, this one, or otherwise you can put it also, no problem. 3 multiplied by 3.14, okay, and then divide by 2, which is equal to, which is 4.71, okay, right. And then 2 pi, you can 2 multiply by 3.14, you will get this one as 6.28 something, approximately we are doing, okay, right. Now this is 1.57, this is 3.14. What is your question? 2.3. Where is 2.3? This is your 0. So 2.3 is exactly in quadrant 2. Understand? Any question? Any question once again? Right. So once again repeat. pi is nothing but 3.14. So pi by 2 is 3.14 divided by 2, which is 1.57. Okay. So this is pi 3.14. Forget about this one. Our question is 2.3. So this is 1.57 and this is 3.14. So where is your 2.3? It is in this quadrant, right? So now we are dealing with pi. Okay. This is just approximate calculation. Okay. Not exact. So this is your theta. And this formula is what? 180 minus theta, this quadrant, right? So which means pi minus theta. And this is theta minus pi, okay? And this is 360 minus theta. So now we are starting this man, right? And he's walk. He's going right, which is 2.3 is going in the quadrant 3. So the man is standing in quadrant 2, right? Yes. So quadrant 2, what is the formula? Pi minus theta. Why, teacher, you have taken pi? Because the question is in radian. So which is equal to pi minus theta is equal to 2.3 given in the question, you can see, right? So put in the calculator, right? Shift pi minus 2.3, which is equal to 0.84, which is equal to 0.84. Okay, 0.84, right? This is one method. Normally some teachers, they use this method. Some, they don't use this method. They convert into degrees. Okay, so I'll teach you another method. If you want, you take it, otherwise leave it. So another method is very easy. Okay, let me take another color. 2.3 is the radian, right? You multiply by 180 divided by pi. If you multiply by 180 divided by pi, which is degree measure, okay, radian to degree, 2.3 multiply by fraction mode 180 shift, okay, 180 not shift, okay, 180 divided by shift pi, which is equal to 131 point something, which is 780, okay, 78. So where is 131? This is 0, this is 90, and this is 180, right? So 131 is a second quadrant. What is the formula for second quadrant? 180 minus theta, right? Which is pi minus theta, right? So normally we are going with the radian. So what we are going to do, which is 180 minus theta, we are going to do it. But we will not do it 180 minus this one. So we will do it what? You can do it, no problem. So 180 minus theta is what? 131.78. Okay. So if you subtract this one, 180 minus 131.78, which is equal to, I got a decimal, 48.22. Actually, this is degree. Our question is in radian. Okay. So again, you have to convert into radian using which formula? Which is pi divided by 180. We need to multiply. So which is 48.22 multiply by, and then use, multiply by fraction mode shift pi, okay, divided by 180. You will get the answer 0.8415, which is the same answer you can see here, 0.84, which is the same answer. Same answer, you can see that. So any method you can use, no problem. But the only thing is you don't get confused. What is 2.3, teacher? 2.3 is a radian. It is very clearly, it's written radian. So very easiest method is this one. Normally my students, they find it this is easy. But still, you can also use the method, convert into degree, and then use the formula for degree, then convert into radian. This is the one converting into radian. Okay. So if you convert, you will get this one. This is going to be a radian measure. 0.89 is a radian measure. Okay, right. The next thing is negative 135. This is only little, you need to think a lot. Theta equals negative 135 degree. Okay, keep in your mind, I'm going to say something, and that also I'm going to write in English. If your angle, okay, slowly I will tell. If your angle in the reference angle, okay, this rule is for reference angle, okay. If your angle is negative, okay, add 360 degree to get positive angle. To get what? To get positive angle within the standard range. What do you mean by range? Within 0 to 360. This gap. Okay. Within the standard range. Okay. Right. So this is the first point. If your angle is negative, add 360 degree. If your angle is negative, add 360 degree. This is one rule. The next rule is, if you have an angle, okay, right, which is greater than 360, which is greater than means what? More, best word for you is more than. Greater than you will not be easy. More than 360 degree, then what you should do, you can subtract means what? Minus. You can subtract, okay, 360 degree, right, until you keep subtracting, okay, until means keep subtracting, it falls or it comes under, it falls under the limit. That's under the limits what? 0 to 360. This circle, it should be inside. So this point you need to remember. Do you remember these ideas? I already told you in somewhere in 6.1. What is the name of the topic called? Do you remember that? Coterminal angle. So the same idea. This idea is nothing but your coterminal angle idea. Okay. So once again I'll repeat. If your angle is negative, add 360. Add what? 360 degree. If your angle is negative, add 360. Okay. Until to get a positive angle. Right. So let me start here. So this is theta equals minus 135 degree plus 360 degree. Okay. Right. So this is equal to how much? 225 degree. Is this your reference angle? No, no, no. We just made it to positive. Now we are going to find out the reference angle. Now we are going to find out what? The reference angle. Okay, right. Let's draw the picture. 0, 90, 180 and then 270, then 360 degree. Okay, so let's start. The man is going to start. Okay, right. He should go where? 225 degree. Just now we finished, but still you remember. 225 we did it. Remember? Just now we did sine, cosine, tan. Yes, he's here. Okay, right. So the man is in which quadrant? He is in quadrant 3. Okay, right. Quadrant 3, what is the formula? This is theta. This is 180 minus theta. This is theta minus 180. And this is 360 minus theta. So this is theta minus 180. So what is your angle now? 225 degree. Okay. 225 degree. So this is 225 minus 180 degree, which is equal to, just now we calculated for one question, which is equal to 45 degree. Clear? So one is a positive degree, such a nice question. One is in radian. Okay. Another one is a negative angle. Negative angle means you should add 360 to get positive. Right? That's this question. Clear all of you? I hope it's very easy, not so difficult, right? Let's go to the next question. It has no connection with quadrant, nothing. Just a small application question. Very simple. The current I. So this is the I equation. Just remember this I. Take this equation. I equals 5 e power minus 2t and sine t. There is a t here. There is a t here. Okay. So this is the equation of the current. Okay. Equation of what? Current. Now what is the question? Approximate t equals 0.7 seconds. Which voltage applied? 100 watt voltage is applied. Forget about that one. So very simple. You are going to put t is equal to 0.7. So I equals 5 bracket open e power minus 2 0.7 close the bracket sine 0.7. So you are going to put it in the calculator. Okay, right. So let me start. 5 bracket open, okay, and e power, no, all are multiply. 5 multiply alpha e power minus 2 bracket open 0.7 bracket close, and then come down, and then sine bracket already open 0.7 bracket close, press equal, which is equal to 5. How much you got? Z power minus 2.0. Okay, it is in degree mode or in radian mode, which is radian mode, right? So degree mode or radian mode, it should be in the radian mode, right? Because sine, because it's voltage question, so it should be in the radian mode. Okay, right? So you should convert into radian mode, that will be better for you. Okay, right? So please convert into radian. If you convert into radian, your answer will be, let me check, shift mode radian, which is 4, which will be, radian is 0.79, it's coming, right? 0.79. Okay, 0.79. Let me do it again. 0.79. Okay, so it is radian mode is 0.794310,629. So radian mode, you should calculate in radian mode, this one. Okay, right? So voltage normally we calculate in radian mode. Okay, so and also the current equation also like that. So radian mode is 0.794310,629. Okay, right, I think that's all the questions. So this finishes, what is your exercise number? I forgot it. 6.3, right? 6.3, right? I hope you understood. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe the channel, and please like and comment the channel also. We are waiting for the comments. Okay, right? So please work hard, because your quizzes are coming and midterm examinations are coming. So keep working, and then just open this video and divide your screen, and side by side whatever I'm writing, you keep writing. So once you finish writing, close your iPads. Okay, then start working without seeing the solutions, then correct yourself. Then if your answers are correct, then you are going in the right path. Okay, so please work hard. All the best. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Very soon I will try to do remaining chapters also. Okay, good luck. Have a good day. Bye bye.